Okay, so here we are getting ready to leave. It's almost 8 a.m. About 45 degrees, so bees are being pretty tame. We got 2 pallets already on here that we are trying to, we got pulled out of some other yards just to end up having 20 hives altogether. We got a small one, which is going to go there to catch all the stragglers. And then we have another single because we found a dead out the other day whenever we were strapping them up. You might remember that. Here's the Franken lift all ready to go, and we got sugar water just in case we're going to have to feed them a little bit. That's just going to be kind of a, if they don't have anything, then we'll put some more in them. But there's the whole rig, and we'll head down about an hour and a half, pick up all the bees, and then after that we'll come back. Well, we'll go down further down to Norman Park. Now for the first leg, I'm going to be doing this on my own, and Bob isn't going to be here because he has a doctor's appointment he's got to be to, so they're going to join us on the road. Hopefully I'll have all this done by the time he gets around to working. But anyway, you know, that's the hope. If not, I guess it'll all be on video. I'll see you down in Unadilla. Well, this morning we're back in Unadilla. Kind of bringing a completion to the series. Today we're going to be, or I'm going to be, because Bob has a doctor's appointment that he has to go to, so he's going to catch up with me later. Going to be loading these hives, putting them on my flatbed, and getting everything situated. Then we'll be going all the way down to Norman Park, unloading them. But I'm going to go ahead and get started. It's about 9:30, and so I've got quite a bit of work to do here. So just follow along. Okay, we got everything loaded up. I got the Franken lift put up. I don't have it tied down yet. I got my box over here for all the transient bees that get left behind. Like I said, it won't be their home, but I hope that they make it their home. We don't want to lose any bees. I'm getting ready to go ahead and start netting. Let me move you around and we'll get in position to net. Looks like we're about done. The wind's kind of picked up. Looks like it might start raining sometime. But I just want to show you. It's kind of what it looks like. From the back. Then over on this side here. I netted them down. I had plenty of net. Like I say, I could have used a couple more bungee cords. Hey, they get up there in that net. Some of them will die, some of them won't. It's just part of netting. Anyway, I'm getting ready to call Bob and see where they are. And if they're too far away, I don't know what I'll do. Well, it looks like the tire's a little low there. I'm probably gonna check that out. And it might just be the way it's sitting in the sand. But anyway, I'm gonna check on some things and I'll get back to you in a little bit. This is Doc from GAFLLA Bees, reminding you to subscribe and hit that like button and ring that bell for more updates on our videos. Thank you and be happy.